Come in all shapes and sizes. The smallest is Makoto, a Japanese restaurant located on MacArthur Boulevard in Palisades, a neighborhood northwest of Georgetown. With only 24 seats, 6 small restaurants continually impress original food critics. The entire experience is authentic, even down to the guest shoes, which most kids change for slippers before entering the dining room. This is Japanese tradition to take particularly adventurous, and translate to Chef's Choice. More like the freestyle, but chef chooses. Maybe small. The smallest restaurant in town is the 6-store Mini Boss, located inside Cafe Atlantico in downtown D.C. A seat at the bar will set you back $120, but it offers you an unparalleled gastronomic tasting adventure.
Okay, so that's a poem of someone